What's going on, people? It's Greg here with another Excel VBA tutorial video. Today we'll be going over how to remove special characters in a string. So let's get into it. Alright, so a common issue people come across especially when trying to save files, is dealing with special characters in the name. So for example, if I were to try to rename this file name but include a special character like a question mark, I'll get this pop-up that says a file name can't contain any of the following characters. And then there's 9 characters here we got to deal with. So what we're going to do is create a for loop that goes through an array and will replace any special characters in whatever string you use with whatever character you want, so that you can avoid coming across an issue like this. So we'll call this sub remove special characters. And we'll go ahead and declare our variables. We'll have str as string, and then special characters as variant. We'll have x as a variant, and then we can go ahead and say that str, for this first example, we'll just type the string directly in the code. We'll say this string contains special characters. Alright, and then we'll say that special characters, our variant is going to be equal to an array that consists of those 9 special characters. So we had the less than and greater than sign. We had the backslash and forward slash, question mark, the asterisk, colon. We also had quotation. So one quotation is represented by 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So is that enough? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we're missing 1, and that would be the pike. Alright, so we've got in our array, and then we'll start our for loop. So for each x in special characters, and go to next x, we are going to set str, our string, equal to replace. So we're going to replace our string we're going to replace x that we find in our string with the new value. So that new value, let's say it's just a blank space. Or no, let's use a $sign just so we can see all the spots clearly. And then we will put a message box at the end so we can see the finished product. Alright, so let's let this run. And as you can see, this string, this original string here, is turned into this. So all those special characters were replaced by $signs. So let's say we have a list of file names, or we want to have, we enter our file name in our actual sheet. So we can reference this cell here, A1, by doing this, by setting str equal to this workbook, sheets. And this is the first sheet, so I'll just put a number 1 in here. And then the cells are going to be 1, 1, because it's the very first cell. And then I want the text in that cell. And you see, by using this 1, I'm referencing the first sheet, so I can change the name to whatever I want, and it won't affect the code. So let's put daily report for our daily finance report and then we can put colon August. So that'll be our, that's it. Let's say that that's our file name, and because there's pikes and a colon in here, we won't be able to save it without getting an error. But by using this code, we can replace those special characters, and this time let's use a space, a blank spot. So now when we run the code, we can see that this was changed into this. So yeah, very simple, very efficient way to get rid of special characters to prevent from coming across any errors like that. That's all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Have a good one.